Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to pay quarterly taxes on IRS website step by step. First, gather your estimated tax amounts and banking details, then create or sign into your IRS account. Next, choose the correct payment option and enter the payment amount and date. Confirm payment and save the confirmation number. Repeat for each quarter and adjust amounts if income changes, so you avoid penalties and stay organized throughout the year. Gather everything before you log in to make the process smooth and quick. Use recent income figures and last year's tax return as a guide to estimate payments. Keep your bank routing and account numbers handy and choose between direct debit, EFTs, or card payments. Note possible card fees and timing for bank withdrawals. Confirm your personal information matches IRS records to avoid rejected payments and extra work later on. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tax tips. Quick recommendation: I love The Simple Path to Wealth as a book that changes how you think about money, and it pairs well with learning to manage tax payments. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick it up if you want a friendly money guide. Now let's get back to the video. Log into your IRS account and navigate to the Make a Payment section to start. Choose the type of tax and the correct payment period for the quarter you are paying. Enter the exact payment amount and your bank or card details, then carefully review every field. Submit the payment and immediately save or screenshot the confirmation number and receipt. These records help with bookkeeping and prove timely payment if questions come up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.